Hello, my name is Daniel John and I'm here to tell you about my experience working at Foothold Cymru. Honestly, at first I was nervous as I was unsure what to expect. But after a couple of weeks I have learned various things whilst working with Adobe After Effects. For example, or this, or even this. So far I have been given various different projects to do, such as making a charity video to making simple 5-second videos with holiday themes, which I have enjoyed dearly. Also, in the beginning, I was tasked to check the Foothold Cymru website for any errors, such as typos, images appearing unusual, or that the email addresses on the pages are correct. Even though I have done most of my work from home, I have also spent some days at one of their centres. Whilst there, I have taken a look at how they help the communities in various different ways, such as giving them food or even letting them rent out tools to use. As of now, I am halfway through my experience and hope to enjoy the remaining half and learn even more things I can do on After Effects, which will hopefully get me a future job with these required skills.